Buddy, this is Aaron Melvin, and I'm going to try to walk you through the open house procedures. As you know, we're going to have a virtual open house this year for the first time, so it'll be a little different. The first step is something you've done before. You will log on to your MyPassCo Connect, and I think I'm already logged in, but you may have to do that. From here, you'll go to your Office 365, and I have already sent you or shared with you a link to OneDrive. OneDrive is a place you can store files. That doesn't go up your desktop. Something that I'm going to start to work on more this year. And I've given you a folder within my folder under Open House. As you see, every teacher is listed with their title as well. So I'll just go ahead and pretend that I'm Chief Becerra right now. And as you see, I've already tried a few things here. So I'm going to go in someone new because I want to start this from scratch. So I'll be Miss Bowens. So Miss Bowens probably first of all has a syllabus that she's already created in the past. She's very organized and she'll upload her syllabus. She might have to edit some things for this year. And it's not ROTC syllabus, but as you can tell, she could upload that syllabus for her class. That's the first thing. The second thing she'll have to do is somehow record a welcome video. One of the things you have built in your computer is called Photo Booth. So if you just go to the search bar on the upper right and type in Photo Booth, it's a pretty neat little app, and you can record a video and then it can be converted to an MP4 file. So on the bottom here, there are three different options. On the right is the film option. So if you click that, you'll see that this looks like a camcorder, and you can go ahead and record your welcome video. 3, 2, 1. Well, hi parents, I'm Mr. Melvin. I'll be your child's math teacher this year, and I wanted to welcome everybody to a fine 2020 school year, and this is my syllabus, and these are my expectations, and thank you very much for coming. This will be a great year. So I have now stopped that. It's 16 seconds, so hopefully yours will be a little longer than that, a little more upbeat. Up here in the corner, oops, I had it earlier. You can go through all my, okay, you just have to select the video down here, the 16 second.
Well, hi parents, I'm Mr.
16-second video you want. Export, there we go, file, export. You can walk through the problems with it. You'll export this video, and you can name it welcome video. Where are you going to save it? Well, I'd probably save it to my desktop. Would be the nicest place to be. So that's your welcome video. Save it to your desktop. Boom. Go ahead and close this out, and pardon my desktop. It's not that tab, of course. It's this one. So I'm back under Miss Bowens's open house folder, and I can now upload this welcome video. And boom. So now parents have a copy of the syllabus and the welcome video that they can view at any time. The last thing would be to give a link for your Zoom session that will be live on the 19th from 10 to 12. So, as you all know by now, you have Zoom as an app on your MyPassCo Connect, and you can schedule a new meeting. So we'll go here. I've already done a few, but let's just go ahead and schedule a new meeting. We can call this Open House, Bowens, if you'd like to. You'll change the date to the 19th, and that'll be, everybody will be from 10 to 12. We're going to keep that at the same time. So we'll start at 10 o'clock a.m. It's giving us the ability to do a 2-hour session. I'm not going to have the passcode because typically we would invite somebody, a parent for something, or a group of students. We're not going to have the passcode here. And this part I'm still kind of wondering if we're going to enable the join before host. We can think about this in a little bit, but you'll go ahead and save that. And you'll go ahead and have your link that you've generated for your Zoom session. Copy that link. Let's go back to the OneDrive where we were. And now we want to upload. I'm sorry, we want to go new, link. Go ahead and copy that link there. And we can just, obviously the link is a long number and letter character situation. You can do the file name and just call this whatever you'd like to. You can call it Bowen's Live Zoom, not Zom, Zoom. Go ahead and create that link. So now the vision here is that we will share this folder with parents. They could then choose any teacher or administrator that they'd like to view for that day, and they have Bowen's first period. They can go ahead and click Bowen's. They have a link to her Zoom. They have a link to her syllabus. They have a link to her welcome video that she's pre-recorded. If they don't need to talk to her personally, maybe they had her last year, or maybe they know her personally, or maybe they just don't want to talk about math. They don't have to do the live Zoom, or if they're working or something like that, they can view the welcome video and syllabus and probably get as much information as they need. But if they'd like to jump on the Zoom during that time slot, they could. So every parent will have access to this. I'll stop the editing privileges for them, obviously. And this will be Open House 2020. Obviously, this is the first year we're doing this. And there will be questions. There might be some glitches. Stay in touch if you need anything. As always, we're trying new stuff this year, and it'll be a work in progress, and we'll get through together. Thank you all.